Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial today we are going to learn how to enable or turn on gyroscope in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's find out. So first click on the setting icon here in the top right corner and then go to basic, and then you need to properly find the option for gyroscope. You need to scroll down and you will find it at the bottom. So when you reach at the bottom, there you go, there's an option called gyroscope. Simply turn it on. So that's how you can do it. So there are options called invert horizontal gyroscope. You can turn it off or turn it on if you want, or you can also have the vertical gyroscope. So you can choose the setting if you want. So that's how you can turn on the gyroscope in Call of Duty Mobile. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.